Hey guys, how are you doing today? So we're back, and today's review is going to consist of Razer Huntsman Mini and its box, nice and new and everything, fresh. So let's take a look. As every company does, they claim that this keyboard is truly competitive. So I want to see what's up with this. I've always wanted this product, well, for the time that it's been out. So now that I have it in hand, with my Best Buy having it a couple copies, I picked up one and I want to see the potential of this product. It is a 16% keyboard and comes in black, white, and pink options. So there's quite a variety. The keycaps are double shot PVT, so they are expected to last a long time. Now with this keyboard, I have the red linear optical switches, so that's going to be very silent and it's going to be very satisfying. Now let's open this up. I'm going to open this up on video. So what we get in the box is the keyboard, which is surprisingly small. I remember looking at the Best Buy thing, the sample, or whatever you call it. But I was really surprised by how small it was, and I really loved it. Like how it has the secondary commands, and it's really useful, you know, because you don't lose anything. At least I don't think so. You lose the numpad, but I don't really use that much, so it's not really like I cared much about it. And here's your cable. I like the little packaging, really. But yeah, this piece of cardboard is just used to cover up the cable inside of the box, kind of like that. And it just comes with the keyboard right on the open spot. But yeah, pretty nice packaging, not gonna lie. I like the little bag. It feels like a soft silk plastic kind of mixture. Yeah, I enjoy what is in the box. So I enjoy that they included this detachable Type-C, I believe it is. I really like what they're doing here with their newest products, which they are now including the chance to put in your own custom cable, really, or if you really want it to be portable, detachable. So it really screams out the name of you can take it wherever you want. Even the box is so small that you could use it as its case. So there's a double use for that. The keyboard comes with full RGB lighting, which can be really cool now that you want to set up your stuff. And you know, RGB always makes you a better gamer and makes your PC much faster. But if you want to complete the whole set, then you can do it with this keyboard, which is spectacular. Now let's talk about the switches. So the one that I have is red linear optical switches. That means that the force of activation is going to be at 45 grams. Gen 1 used to be 40. Complaints happened. It was a feather could land on it and it could activate. But the activation point is 1 millimeter and it's 3.5 millimeter travel distance. The good thing about these optical switches is that you have like a really good lifespan of 100 million clicks, and that's amazing because I think green switches are like 75 million and my backspace and my period are starting to break. They're not functioning anymore. And that's on my 7-year-old keyboard. And I needed a new one. And this is going to last me even longer. And it's cool and it's small. So, win-win. Now, as I said in the beginning, this is a very competitive, very good product so far. I want to try it out. I'm going to add some gameplay from tonight's stream, and you tell me how it sounds or how it looks like it's working compared to my older streams. Go ahead. Now, the price point for this product is $139 that I paid, and if you can get it at $110, that'd be good. I know there's definitely the purple switches, which are $10 lower, or it might be $130 for this one, but I don't know. If you like clicky, then go for the purple switches, save you $10. If you like the linear, or you like fast and improved gaming, just go for the red linear. It's a good investment, really. If you really needed one, if you really needed a new keyboard, go for it. It'll last you a long time with the red optical switches, of course. Or the other switches too. I don't think it should be a problem. But yeah, definitely, it's a really silent product, really good product as well. So you can have some fun while your parents are sleeping. You can be gaming and they couldn't hear a thing. Well, that's going to be this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to support the channel. I don't mind if you do or you don't. I hope you enjoyed the content. That's why I'm here, to create content for you guys and for helping the new gamers or the people that just want a review, an honest review from like a small channel. I'm not biased. I really like this product, so don't think I'm biased. Don't worry, I'm not. I don't have a reason to be. But yeah, if you enjoyed the content, then go ahead and give it a follow. That way you can have more content like this. There's a boom arm video coming up. I got the Yeti caster bundle, so if you're looking up for that, it'll come soon. I still have to edit and everything this video, so it should be all fine. So yeah, drop in the stream if you want. It's Skilledupgaming on Twitch. Also, I am on TikTok, same name. And if you guys enjoyed this, leave a comment down below, or if you think I could have done something better, also drop that. It'll always help to have multiple people giving me advice. So, for this one, have a good one, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.